Lately, mysterious drones have been spotted flying through the skies, and the internet is buzzing with theories. Are they secret government surveillance, alien missions, or something even more unusual? Let's take a deep breath and explore 7 real estate related theories that might actually explain what's going on. First up, it's no secret that some real estate agents go above and beyond for their listings, with modern MLS platforms allowing us up to 100 photos. Maybe these drones are just capturing every possible angle, even if it means flying at 2 a.m. for that perfect moonlit shot of the property. It's possible, I think. Theory 2. What if it's buyers trying to find homes before they even hit the market? In a competitive housing market, some tech savvy buyers might be using drones to follow agents heading to listing appointments. Sounds sneaky, but desperate times call for desperate measures, I guess. Remember those open house balloons that used to float away? These days, people are more environmentally conscious, and agents don't want their branded balloons polluting the skies. So maybe these drones are just trying to save the planet one balloon at a time. Have you ever noticed how Zestimate numbers seem to hover over houses on websites? Maybe those numbers aren't just digital. Maybe drones are projecting them like holograms. Okay, it's a stretch, but it is fun to imagine. Next, we've got HOAs, always on the hunt for rule violations, from unapproved paint colors to unmowed lawns. Drones would be a perfect tool for catching violators without relying on the neighborhood gossip. Watch out, they might be flying above your house right now. Theory 6. Squatters. Imagine a group of high tech squatters using drones to find unoccupied homes to plan their next move. It's like something out of a sci fi movie, but hey, anything's possible these days. And finally, we can't rule out aliens. Okay, it's a little out there, but with all the strange things happening lately, who's to say the drones aren't from another world, scouting out prime real estate for extraterrestrial house hunters? At the end of the day, these nighttime drones might have a simple explanation, or maybe they're just here to keep us guessing. What do you think? Drop your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more fun real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.